this is a voiceover. I forgot to make video in English, and I'm very happy because I already sent it off to Marilyn G that I had a Dutch video that I've made for some crafty friends to show them what I've made, and I wanted to know their opinion of it. This is a swap that I'm in. It's from for Marilyn G, this one, and it's a stack of letters and with a hidden box inside. And on the front I made a collage. I made it myself. It are all different layers. So the postcard, the stamps, the typewriter, the butterflies, the bird, the flowers on there, and it's all digital layers, and I love doing that. And what's on the box is I used foamy run flowers that I've made myself, and the paper cuts are Tim Holtz leaves, and I think a die from Joy. I tucked some things under there. In the box, I did my box different. I used hinges. I made envelopes and I filled them all with a chipboard, and then layer them all and cut the box out. And this is the bottom, and on the bottom I've used some paper from Pinterest. I think it's an envelope, and I used a part of it on the bottom of the box. And this is a very tiny travel notebook, travel journal. And I love making that one. It's a very tiny one, as you can see. And also I did the digital part on the front. That's the cover. Made a postcard, another one, and put the elements on there, and made it altered it, and used some vintage photo on there. And and the inside, I have some vellum paper on the inside. It's a Pinterest image, and I put lined paper in there, and all the tiny paper cuts are from Studio Light or the Action Store. And over here is a tilde tag, and a tiny little girl and boy who get married, and I love that. It's so nice. I made a pocket, and vellum pocket it is, and it all has tiny tags in there. And next is some lined paper again, and a postcard, a pocket, and a postcard on the other side. Some tilde paper, I see, and that's pockets page that I put in there. You see it over here. There's the pocket, and lined paper again, tags I put in there, butterflies, all vintage things. And the other side of the pocket page with a tag in there, some banners, postcard, the other side of the tilde tag. Cool, I like that. Another pocket, and Studio Light paper on there. Another part, the other side of the vellum pocket, and that's the end. So that's a tiny booklet that I've made, and I love doing that. It's I love making tiny things. And the inside of the box, you can see I used some vintage trim that I had in my stash, and it's tempera paper on the box, on the outside. On the inside, I told you it's paper from Pinterest. It's an envelope. I used a part of it, and voila, and it fits inside. And let's close the. Here you see this a stack of envelopes, paper, and yeah, I love doing this one. So thank you, Marilyn G, for the opportunity to swap with you. I love it. And until the next swap, thank you and bye bye.